kids, let's dance and learn our ABCs together. Move your hands, move your feet, and let's go! Dudi dudi dum dum. Clap clap, dudi dudi dum dum. Dudi dudi dum dum, dance with me. Let's move our bodies and learn ABC. Dudi dudi dum dum, come and play. Letters make fun every day. Dudi dudi dum dum, dance with me. Let's move our bodies and learn ABC. Dudi dudi dum dum, come and play. Letters make fun every day. A is for apple, red and sweet. Dance side to side, move your feet. B is for ball, bounce up high. Jump like a ball in the sky. C is for cat, soft and small. Meow meow dance, paws up y'all. D is for duck, waddling slow. Wiggle wiggle dance, let's go! E is for elephant, big and strong. Swing your arms and dance along. F is for frog, hop hop hop. Tiny frog jumps, don't ever stop. Dudi dudi dum dum, dance with me. Let's move our bodies and learn ABC. Dudi dudi dum dum, turn around. Letters make music fun and sound. G is for tartar, strum it loud. Air guitar dance, feeling proud. H is for hat, spin it around. Twirl, twirl, dance on the ground. I is for ice cream, yummy treat. Slow motion dance, cool and sweet. J is for jump, up and down. Jumping dance all around town. K is for kite, flying high. Stretch your hands up to the sky. L is for lion, hear him roar. Stomp, stomp, dance across the floor. Dudi dudi dum dum, dance with me. Let's move our bodies and learn ABC. Dudi dudi dum dum, clap your hands. Letters make magic across the lands. M is for monkey, swinging free. Monkey dance moves 1, 2, 3. N is for nest, birds cuddle tight. Flap your wings and dance in flight. O is for octopus, wiggly fun. Wave your arms like 8 legs run. P is for puppy, cute and small. Shake your tail and dance with all. Q is for queen, fancy grand. Curtsy dance with your royal hand. R is for rainbow, colors bright. Spin in circles, what a sight. Dudi dudi dum dum, dance with me. Let's move our bodies and learn ABC. Dudi dudi dum dum, stomp your feet. Learning letters with a beat. S is for sun, shining gold. Sunshine dance, bright and bold. T is for tiger, fast and strong. Tiger steps as we dance along. U is for umbrella, open wide. Spin like raindrops side to side. V is for violin, soft and sweet. Sway gently to the beat. W is for whale, big